Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Today we explore why verb tenses in English are so important. Well, they're the secret sauce that gives life to our sentences, painting vivid pictures of when events happen and their duration. Picture this: without verb tenses, our sentences would be like a timeless void, devoid of any sense of past, present, or future. It's like trying to navigate through a story with no beginning, middle, or end. Understanding verb tenses is crucial to mastering the English language, so let's dive right in. First up, we have the present tenses: present simple, present continuous, and present perfect. Let's dive right in. The present simple, as its name suggests, is used to express habits or general facts. Think of sentences like "the sun rises in the east" or "I drink coffee every morning." They're simple, factual, and habitual. Next, we have the present continuous. This tense is all about ongoing actions. A sentence like "I am reading a book" tells us that the action of reading is happening right now. Finally, the present perfect tense. This one's a bit tricky. It's used for actions that have been completed but are still relevant to the present. For instance, "I have finished my homework." The action of finishing the homework is done, but it's relevant because now you're free to do other things. Remember, the present tenses allow us to talk about the here and now, and all the actions that are currently happening or have an effect on the present moment. Next, we delve into the past with the past simple, past continuous, and past perfect tenses. The past simple tense, often the first tense learners master, is used for completed actions. Imagine you're telling a story. "Yesterday, I walked to the park." Just like that, you've completed an action in the past. Now let's consider the past continuous. This tense is used for ongoing actions in the past. Picture yourself in the middle of an action. "I was reading a book when the phone rang." You were in the process of reading, an ongoing action, interrupted by the phone's ring. Finally, we have the past perfect. This tense is used for actions that happened before a certain point in the past. Think of it as a flashback within a flashback. "I'd already eaten when my friend arrived." Your meal, in this case, occurred before your friend's arrival. The past tenses help us recount events that have already happened, providing a chronological perspective. Finally, we venture into the future with the future simple, future continuous, and future perfect tenses. Let's deconstruct each of these, shall we? First up, the future simple tense, often used for predictions, plans, or spontaneous decisions. For example, "I think I will read a book tonight." Here, "will read" is our future simple verb. Moving on, the future continuous tense, used to express ongoing actions or events in the future. "This time tomorrow, I will be running a marathon." Notice "will be running"? That's future continuous. Last but not least, the future perfect tense. It's all about actions that will be completed by a certain point in the future. "By next year, I will have graduated from university." Will have graduated. That's future perfect. Remember, mastering these tenses can give your communication a fantastic forward-looking flair. And there you have it. The future tenses, your key to discussing what's yet to come. We've traveled through time, exploring the present, past, and future tenses. We've delved into the importance of using the right tense, from the simplicity of the present, the nuances of the past, to the possibilities of the future. Remember, each tense has its unique role, shaping the meaning of our sentences. This understanding is crucial to convey your thoughts clearly and accurately. So keep revisiting these tenses, keep honing your skills. Remember, mastering these tenses is your ticket to expressing yourself clearly and accurately in English. Until next time, keep practicing.